I'm here at PetSmart now, and I'm just gonna go grab a cart. And now we're gonna go inside. First, we are going to go get the collar and the leash. I like the color blue and because it's a blue. So, I like this bone one. And I think it'll be good because it's a medium size. Then, sorry, we are going to get a retractable thingy. Then, look. Next, we're going to go get some, are these the treats? Oh, the balls. So there are lots of bowls, but I like the conjoined ones, but there are lots of like these separate ones. I feel like I want to get a conjoined one. So we can get these, or these. I'm not going to get a pink one. But I like the gray one, but I think the blue one will fit my dog best. So. Now, we'll go get something else, whatever's next. A puppy chicken brown rice recipe, but I want to get a small version. Oh, I got it. Just cameraman woman is going to go get me the food because I'm too short.
Up in here.
Yeah. So this is the food we're gonna get. It's puppy blue chicken and brown rice recipe. I can't turn it around, so we're just gonna go this way. Here we have some shampoos and some conditioners. So there's these, there's lots of these, and I've seen people using these. So we'll get the conditioner and the shampoo. Then we need to get a brush, because a bichon needs lots of brushing every single day. So I think we're gonna need this brush. It may be a little big, but I love these because they self-clean themselves, so they'll take off all the hair. Then, we're going to get a toothbrush and toothpaste. So, we can either get separate toothbrush, separate toothpaste, or like stuff like that. But I think we should get this because it's small. It's a vanilla ginger flavored. Looks good. Next, we need to get treats. So, first, I think we should get some of like these chewing ones like this. I think these look good, but these are pretty big, so I think we should get these because these look about the size of the dog I'm gonna get. I can't turn the car. This tag, it's a blue one with a silver lining, and we are going to start by putting in the name. So we have to see this. Yes. To put in the code T1408. Now we're going to put in the name. This is the name. We're going to be naming him Bailey. Then I'm going to put in my last name, which I'm not going to show you right now. Continue. We're going to keep it in the original font. And now we're going to write the back. Now I'm gonna put it in. So it says, how do I put it? Where do I put it? I have to watch the video. Flip the tag over. Well, this is same both ways. Then I'm gonna put it right there. Close it, I'm pretty sure. The pin should be sticking through the tag, okay? It says put it back first, but they're both the same way, then close. Press, engrave. Oh, it's gonna work. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so weird. That's the front. That's so cool. How does it just appear? Oh my god, it says... Okay. Last same time. It does take a little while. Seen it in person, so I'm gonna open it now. Wow. I'm not gonna show you the last name, but then it says Bailey. Then back here it says my mom and her phone number, but the last name. It looks so cute. I love it. We need to put it back in the little thing. So I'll see you at home where I'm going to show you everything we bought. So I am now back home. I'm going to be showing you everything we got. It's kind of like a big pile right now. So first, we're going to start with these trading pads. These are 50. We ended up getting different ones because we found these off camera. They're just basically potty pads. And then 50. Then we got this collar. It's really cute. It's with all these dog bones on them. Then we're going to attach our actual tag after. Then we got our toothbrush, toothpaste stuff. It's like kind of like a portable thing because this is bendable. Here we got this retractable thing cord, which, you know, when it's pulling away, you can obviously stop it. And it's blue. Then we got him this bag of food. It's blue brand, and it is puppy chicken and I think brownie rice recipe. Then we got him this really cute sweater. It's just green with like deer on it and like the ordinary sweater print. Here we got this toy. It's a little puppy dog, and it's good. Here we have this chewing bone thing, and it's bacon flavored, it's durable, and it helps your dog's teeth. It does smell like bacon. Here is the dog bed. It's really comfy. I like it. I'd sleep in it if I was a dog. It's plaid. It has this bear, and it's from this brand. It's plaid all around, and it's furry on the inside. Here, we got these little training treats. They're soft, and they're small. And they are chicken. Here is the shampoo and the conditioner. They're the same brand, and they're like this. It looks pretty good. It's made out of chamomile and rosemary. Here are these rawhide sticks. They're for small dogs and for chewy. The dogs like to chew. There are like a few. I don't know how many. There are 15. Here we got this brush for him, because we're gonna need to groom brush him every single day. And then this is a self-cleaning brush if you click this button on the back. Here is this dog bowl thingy. Let me just take out the bowls. It's like a placemat, so just in case if it spills the water, it'll just stay here, or if it spills any food. It's really cute. Here we got this other pet toy. It's a little dog, a blue dog, and it squeaks. It's really cute for some reason. Now we have a few of these like small packs of food that we got. There are these 2 bags of like treats. Here are these 2 bags of chicken and sweet potato food for the dog. And there is this puppy chicken and barley entree. Then we got this, it's called a crate pad, which basically you could put inside the crate and then they can go to sleep inside the crate and it's comfortable. And last, we got this crate. It's upside down right now, but who cares? It's a double door dog crate, and it is for dogs 12 to 25 pounds. It's a small dog. And basically, it's just, you put it and it has a safe place to sleep if it doesn't want to sleep on the bed. And where's the tag? Well, that doesn't matter. We'll show you that after. Well, you already got to see it. And that's basically everything we got. Thank you for watching. This may have been kind of a boring video and maybe kind of long, but if you liked it, please leave a like. If you want to subscribe, you can. I'm not forcing you to. And thank you. Bye.
I baked you a pie.
Oh boy, what flavor?
Pie.